AI website builders are exploding in 2026, but are they your best friend or your biggest threat? Let's break it down. People can now launch full websites in minutes. No coding, no design skills, just AI. But is it really that simple? And should designers, agencies, and freelancers be worried? The good news: speed, instant layouts, smart design, auto branding, colors, fonts, and content. Affordable, pro-looking pages without a full team. Beginner-friendly, great for small businesses and quick projects. For simple landing pages or testing ideas, AI is your best friend. But here's the catch. Templates look generic. Weak long-term SEO. Limited custom features. No real storytelling or creativity. This is where professionals still win. Should you worry? If your work is basic templates, AI can replace it. If you offer strategy, branding, SEO, or custom design, AI becomes a powerful tool, not a threat. By the end of 2026, AI will design from voice commands, fix SEO, and boost conversions automatically. But it will still need humans for emotion, strategy, and originality. So, AI website builders, friend or foe? Honestly, both. It depends on how you use them. Use AI as an assistant, not a replacement. Want more videos on AI, marketing, and website tools? Hit like, subscribe, and comment. Friend or foe?